Hi there, it's Lucinda Carney from Actus, and this is my second top tip for effective home working. It's about making sure you've got the right kit. So I've got the laptop here. The problem I've got is the chair is the wrong height for the table, and I haven't got a mouse, so I'm scrunched up. The reality is, if I work like this all day, because you see I'm having to look down at my screen, I will end up with a crick neck, and I'd probably actually have to go and see the physio, and there's no way I'm able to do that because we're all in isolation. What I'd recommend is try and get your setup closer to this of my son Sammy's. So he's got a chair that raises in height, but if you can get a desk chair like that one over there, then that's ideal. And then he's also got his screen at a height where it's in line with his eyes. So he's not going to get that crick neck. He's wearing very low-tech headphones, which are mine. He would obviously use more sophisticated ones, and he's got a mouse. So the point is, he's got that set up, which means that he can work without being hunched up. So that's my second top tip for effective home working.